What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Iota, guys. I've noticed some large bullish patterns here. It's absolutely exploded over this last day. We're up almost 30%. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.84 billion. 24-hour volume is 466 million. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we broke out of our double bottom and that target has already been met. So if you've been trading Iota, that was a nice little juicy trade of 24% for Iota. Now there's a much larger pattern here, which is an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, guys, and here's your right shoulder. So that target is all the way up at $1.87 for Iota. And that's another juicy gain of 30%, guys. We are extremely overbought on the 4-hour chart, so I would expect a little bit of pullback consolidation. We might start heading up to this price target, which is the golden ratio, at about $1.48. So keep an eye on that as well. If we look at Iota here on the daily, you're going to see here on the daily, we've just had our bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, as well as the 20 over the 200 EMA, this red line here. So not financial advice, but if you're looking for a good opportunity to get into Iota, extremely strong project, I highly recommend looking into it. Definitely a great time to invest, in my opinion. And as a trader, you might want to wait for a little bit of pullback, a little bit of consolidation before entering a trade here. It's looking healthy for continuation. Just wanted to make you guys aware of this massive inverse head and shoulders. Your target is all the way up at $1.87. And maybe we can drop in some levels of support here on the 1-hour time frame. Let's see what we got. So we could use this previous swing high. If we were to see a little bit of correction here, can drop in this level of support, which is at about $1.24 for Iota. All right, guys, or we might just see a little bit of consolidation here once we hit some levels of resistance. So we'll give some future price targets quickly for Iota. Looks like I did that a while ago here. So we'll drop in the 1.272, which is at about $4.13, and the 1.618 at $6.95. All right, guys, highly recommend looking into this project. Almost 400% up to the 1.618. You can check out their website as they are revolutionizing the planet. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns. We have rooms for all our popular coins. Price of a coffee. You can sign up to the Patreon if you'd like to. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading, and receive up to $1,600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. That's it for this one, guys. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.